Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I took the twist out. Now I'm about to wash my hair and I'm gonna be doing my hair and I'm gonna be showing y'all. So I'm gonna come back when I take a shower and wash my hair. Now I'm about to heat protect. Then we got the blue mat. Oh, this curl activator. I don't want to put curl activator. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair, so. But this is my hair right now. I might blow dry it. We're gonna see what we getting into. What we doing? Hi YouTube, I'm back and I am greasing my scalp on TikTok Live right now. And my hair really, cause my shit kinda dry. Kinda, babe, my shit dehydrated. I don't wanna put a lot, I don't want my hair to be greasy. Knowing me, I put a lot for real. But not right now. Okay, that's one side. You just gotta get this and then. I was gonna rub it on this hand, but I don't want it on this hand. I don't even want it on this hand. My hairline is awkward. Just gotta rub the grease in there. I'm just massaging my hair. I'm not scratching it, dumb bitch. I just washed it. Just a little FYI. My hair just got an awkward color. It just looked like that. Never mind. It was dry, but at least it got an awkward color. Alright, I'm done. Alexa, pause. That's why the music paused. I was talking. But yeah, I'm done. Blue Magic. Live by it. When I was younger, I remember Blue Magic. Like, why would I stop using Blue Magic? Did y'all see my hair when I... Sticking to my roots anyway. This is what I'm gonna do with my hair until my sister get done. Then I'm gonna blow dry it again. But I just needed to moisturize my girl. I'll be back. Hi, chat. Here I am with a braid down, about to do a quick weave with my sister. Oh, hi guys. We're in this thing. We got the. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Period. Hi, chat. It's almost 5 in the morning, and I'm finally done with my hair. I had to redo it. Well, not redo it, but I added more bundles. Might go to bed, go live, go something. But I'm gonna be doing something. But anyway, in my review, I see Rico, man, hallelujah, federal nightmare. God answer my prayers. I can't sleep. But yeah, I'm gonna call you back when I got something new. Chat, I am finally done. See, chat, y'all probably think I'm playing about me not being skinny no more, but I'm not. These gummies are like workout enhancers, and I'm about to work out. I'm gonna take them first, then I'm gonna work out. Say they not helping. Lawton said they not helping. Go get y'all some on TikTok. Them 50 took me out. Yesterday I did 100. Sometimes I be like mixing it. Sometimes I do none. So I just put a wax stick on it, so it's maybe on the lap. Now I'm gonna wrap it and I'm gonna take a shower, brush my teeth, do all that good stuff. Put that in the bag. 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 I only got these on because I had to go get groceries. Hi, chat. I just wanted to show y'all my hair. So this is the hair. But yeah, this me and my sister's first time ever doing this hairstyle. Definitely not the last. I feel like I could do it better next time. This is amazing. And I cut like this so it could be like my hair length. You feel me? Like it can match because my hair start right here and I cut the fake hair right here. But yeah, I stayed up all night doing my hair. Look like my real hair. You know, you don't need too much. You don't need too much. You don't need too much. All you need is a little tracks. Glue them bitches down. You feel me? And then you in the dough. Yeah, I might have cut this one too short. But redoing it, girl. Alright. And this is a pony. Like, this eats. This eats. My ears just be poking out. Don't mind them. But yeah, I'm gonna call y'all back.